Penguin Chronicles, delving into the mysterious world of Antarctic birds. Welcome to the fascinating world of penguins, where chilly waters and snowy landscapes provide the scene for one of the most captivating tales in all of nature. These flightless creatures, which range in size from the majestic emperor penguin to the charming small blue penguin, have won over people's hearts and minds all around the world. We go on an immersive trip into the complex lives of penguins in this extensive examination, learning about their biology, behavior, ecological significance, and the amazing adaptations that allow them to survive in some of the harshest settings on Earth. Penguins are a diverse group of animals that live in the southern hemisphere, ranging from the cold regions of Antarctica to the temperate coasts of South America, Africa, and Australia. They are categorized scientifically under the orders Phoeniciformes. Although the majority of these species are found in the Arctic, others live in milder climes, proving how adaptable these amazing birds are. According to taxonomy, penguins are further subdivided into a number of genera and species, each of which has distinct physical traits and ecological niches. The diversity of penguin species demonstrates the complexity of their evolutionary history and ecological adaptations. From the majestic emperor penguin, with its stunning black and white plumage and intimidating stature, to the small fairy penguin, decked in hues of blue and white. With their streamlined body, flipper-like wings, and webbed feet, penguins have a morphology that is perfectly adapted to their aquatic existence and demonstrates their skill as swift swimmers. They can move quickly and precisely through the water thanks to their strong flippers, which have developed from their wings. Their rich plumage also helps them stay warm and minimize drag when they go below. A remarkable adaptation of penguins is their unusual thermoregulation system, which consists of a complex network of specialized blood arteries and layers of fat that allow them to stay warm even in extremely cold situations. Furthermore, their countercurrent heat exchange system retains body heat and stops heat loss through their extremities, enabling them to remain submerged in freezing waters for extended periods of time without experiencing hypothermia. From intricate courtship rituals and group nesting practices to cooperative eating strategies and social interactions within their colonies, penguins display a wide range of behaviors. Individuals gather in breeding colonies, also known as rookeries, to raise their young and mate. These areas serve as focal points for reproductive activities. Vocalizations, ritualized motions, and visual clues are frequently used in courtship displays. Mutual shows of devotion and affection help couples build deep ties. After the eggs are placed, the two parents take turns caring for the incubating and growing chicks while also assuring the well-being of their offspring by going on separate foraging expeditions. As highly skilled hunters, penguins mostly target fish, squid, krill, and other marine life that is present in their particular habitats. Their ability to hunt effectively is based on a mix of hydrodynamic efficiency, acute vision, and coordinated group hunting strategies. Certain species even participate in coordinated dives and underwater pursuits in an attempt to catch elusive prey. With their streamlined bodies and wings that resemble flippers, penguins can move through the water with unmatched agility. They can also spot prey below and above the water's surface thanks to their acute vision. Moreover, their throat pouches and bill's effective filtration systems make it easier for them to catch and swallow prey, guaranteeing that they get the most energy possible for survival and procreation. Being keystone species that control prey populations, nitrogen cycling, and ecosystem dynamics, penguins are essential to the maritime habitats they live in. As apex predators, they have dominance over lower trophic levels, which supports the resilience and stability of coastal ecosystems as well as the balance of marine food webs. Despite being important to the ecosystem, penguins are threatened by a variety of human activities, such as overfishing, habitat degradation, pollution, oil spills, and climate change. In order to preserve penguin populations in their habitats, conservation measures are being taken. These measures include the creation of marine protected areas, the adoption of sustainable fishing methods, and the encouragement of public awareness and educational campaigns. The relationship between humans and penguins is frequently marked by a careful balancing act between appreciation, conservation, and the moral implications of ecotourism. Although ethical tourism can boost the economy and increase public awareness of penguin conservation, there are drawbacks as well, including the possibility of virus transmission, habitat disruption, and pollution. Guidelines and rules have been put in place to control tourist activities in penguin habitats in order to lessen these effects. These include limitations on the number of visitors, the designation of viewing zones, and educational initiatives aimed at encouraging polite behavior and minimizing disruption to nesting colonies. We can guarantee the iconic avian species' long-term existence and well-being by cultivating a symbiotic relationship between humans and penguins based on respect for one another and conservation ethics. Understanding the intricate dynamics of penguin populations, spotting dangers, and developing conservation plans all depend on ongoing scientific research. Numerous academic fields, such as ecology, physiology, genetics, and climate science, are represented in the studies, which offer important insights into the variables affecting penguin behavior, abundance, and distribution. The complex conservation issues affecting penguins necessitate coordinated efforts from scientists, decision-makers, local communities, and international organizations. Mitigating the effects of climate change, lowering fishery bycatch, cutting pollution, and creating efficient protected areas to preserve vital habitats are among the top concerns. In summary, the world of penguins serves as a living example of the marvels of ecological resilience, adaptability, and evolution. These endearing birds represent the spirit of perseverance and inventiveness in the face of misfortune, from their strongholds in the Antarctic to the far-off coastlines of isolated islands. By means of scientific investigation, conservation initiatives, and conscientious management of our ecological assets, we can ensure the prosperity of penguin populations in the future and maintain the integrity of the oceanic environments they inhabit. It is our joint duty as advocates for conservation to make sure that upcoming generations may appreciate the magnificence and beauty of these mysterious avian marvels. We are grateful that you have chosen to go on this fascinating voyage across the frozen regions of the Penguin Kingdom. We cordially encourage you to join our community by subscribing to our channel if you have found this investigation into penguins to be both fascinating and educational. You can be informed about upcoming videos that showcase the beauties of nature, such as in-depth looks at the lives of intriguing animals like penguins, by subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up and click the like button below to express your support if you found it entertaining and informative. Your likes enable us to reach a larger audience and raise awareness of the value of biodiversity and conservation. Finally, we want you to share this movie with your friends, family, and other nature lovers if you think they would find this information interesting and instructive. By working together, we can raise awareness of the wonder and intricacy of the ecosystems on our globe and strive toward a better future for the amazing animals that call them home. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you join us on future adventures.